Hi, this video is for Obras Pelo in response to the comment you posted on the adjectives and prepositions video. It was about using get. Now, Obras, I hope I pronounced your name correctly. You're probably from Brazil? Bom dia. Anyway, so get is used quite a lot. However, in very formal language, people don't tend to use get. So example, if lawyers are writing letters, bank managers, very formal letters, you will hardly see the word get. And one way to increase, to make your vocabulary level high is to change get and use other words. So I've got some examples here. She will get to the station at 10 p.m. You could change that to she will arrive at the station by 10 p.m. John will get 100 weekly. John will earn 100 weekly. 100 pounds. The next one, we need to get permission. Formally, that could be we need to obtain permission. It means the same thing. If you have a synonym dictionary, you could use it. When the child gets older, we will open a bank account. When the child becomes older, we'll open a bank account. A little bit more, have you got a computer? Or have you access to a computer? If you look at those two sentences, can you see how they compare? One's of a higher level. Have you access to a computer? Instead of the common, have you got? Next one, Obras, did you get the point? Obras, do you understand the point? Next, could you get the magazine for me? Could you pick up the magazine for me? And the last sentence, he will get the payment by Friday. He will receive the payment by Friday. So I hope that answers your question a little bit. To expand your vocabulary, avoid using get. Just use bigger words. Okay, enjoy the rest of your holiday. See you soon.